Welcome to Nav Classes. Today we are going to discuss CBSE UGC NET paper January 2017. Please subscribe if you didn't yet and ring the bell to get all notifications. Yes, we set Sunday for CBSE UGC lectures. Let's start with our today's discussion on paper 1. Question 1 is assertion and reason. So if we see assertion, it says sustainable development critical to well-being of human society. Yes, for well-being of human society, sustainable development is really very critical. And the reason says environmentally sound policies do not harm the environment or deplete the natural resources. Yes, it is also true that if policies are sound, then it do not harm the environment. Both assertion and reason are true. But the reason is not explaining the assertion. So the answer should be both A and R are correct, but reason is not correct explanation of assertion. So answer is 2. Next question is the dominant source of pollution due to oxides of nitrogen in urban area is. In urban areas, there is great problem of pollution due to oxide of nitrogen, NOx. So we discussed these pollutions and all in our previous lectures on UGC. Here we are saying that road transport is very vital cause behind it, because in urban areas there is lot of road transport, due to which this pollution is there. On other hand, some may say that commercial sector is also a source of pollution due to NOx, but I must say that here we are asking about the most prominent source for that. So it should be road transport, because recently government let out most of the industries and most of the factories out of urban areas to some other areas, so that they not cause pollutions. Nowadays the answer should be road transport first. Next question is asking about which of the following is not waterborne disease. Typhoid, hepatitis and cholera are waterborne diseases, but dengue is not waterborne disease because it caused by mosquitoes. So the answer should be 4th, dengue. Next question says which of the following is characteristics of Web 2.0 applications. You know what Web 2.0 applications, they are based on social media, more communication, where you can share lot of informations and we can communicate with each other on large networks with groups and all. So great example of this is Facebook. So here there are multiple users who are sharing information among each other. The options, then it says multiple users schedule their time to use Web 2.0 application one by one, which is not true. But another one is are focused on ability for the people to collaborate and share information online. Yes, it's right. And another says provides user with content rather than facilitating users to create it. But we can see that in Facebook and all we can create the content, so it's wrong. Another says use only static pages. It is also not true, because we are nowadays we can see there are more moving or visual contents as well. So answer should be 2. Web applications are focused on ability for people to collaborate and share information online. They can share information with each other. Another question is with regard to word processing software, the process of combining static information in publication together with variable information in data source to create merged publication is called electronic mail. You know what? In mail merge, I'm directly coming to the answer. In mail merge, we create merged publications. In one go, we are able to send our mails to most of our friends or email IDs, and we are able to stick some information uh, as they are, and we are able to uh, merge the information different for each address. So in that case, mail merge is the answer, where the process of combining static information in publication together. So our answer should be mail merge. This question was also asked in July 2016, so we must go through all previous year papers, as we have seen that these questions are also asked from previous years. So must go through previous year question papers. The next question is, DVD technology used in optical media to store the digital data, DVD, is acronym for. What is the full form of DVD? It's digital versatile disc. So the answer should be 3, digital versatile disc. Which of the following is demerit of globalization of higher education? Oh, great question. Exposure to global curriculum, it is the merit, not demerit. It's good. Promotion of elitism in education. What is the meaning of elitism? Your vocabulary should be very good for these questions asked competitive exams. So what is elitism? It's rich people. So yes, this is the demerit, that rich people are taking advantage, as they can go through most of university courses and they have blunt of money, and they can spend on their education, but some poor people may not able to provide such education to their children because of lack of money. So promotion of elitism in education may be disadvantage. Second, C is commodification of higher education. They are commodifying the higher education. This is also a demerit. And there is increase in cost of education, because as their fees are also increasing, so it is the demerit. So B, C, D are demerits. So if we are willing to select the code, then it should be third, B, C, D. Next question says, which of the following statements are correct about deemed universities? You must know about deemed universities. I discussed these all in my previous lectures, so must go through them. It's asking about the correct one. If we see, the governor of state is not the chancellor of deemed in universities. They have their separate chancellors, so this is wrong. B, they can design their own syllabus and coursework. Yes, they can. This is correct one. They can frame their own guidelines regarding admission and fees. Yes, they can decide about fees criterias. D, they can grant degrees. Of course, every university is there to grant degrees, so this is also true. So correct answer should be B, C and D. In that case, answer should be 2. India's government's target for power production for small hydro projects by the year 2022 is, according to recent letter from the government, the answer is 5 gigawatt. It is the correct answer. The next question is, in which country the recent international agreement on phasing out hydrofluorocarbons was signed? In which country it was signed? It was in Rwanda. So the answer should be 1. So your general knowledge about these all main topics like earth, climate and all should be up to the part. You can go through from my latest lectures about this, so see them. Please subscribe and ring the bell with it, so that you will get all lectures in your email ID as and when I upload new lecture. Keep watching Nav Classes. Thank you.